Hey, I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. Today, I have a beginner's guide to calligraphy and quote pages. I hope you enjoy it. What I like to do to make all of my letters the same size and where I want them on the page is I make a little box and put the letters inside them. It's a lot of trial and error, so make sure you use pencil because as you can see, I made it too far up on the page and I'm moving it lower. This measurement page is so useful. I recommend using it, especially if you're using a dotted notebook. Now I'm writing the letters inside the boxes. I know this may seem a little tedious and long, but I'm starting this quote page totally from scratch. I've started using my gray Muji 0.5 gel pen to outline the letters. Can you guys guess the quote? Once again, I'm using pencil to write out the letters. Here's another example of why you should always start with pencil, because I decided I wanted to center the text, so I had to redo it. I decided to use blue for this quote page, and I am using my Crayola Super Tip. Always remember to erase your pencil. I've definitely made this mistake before. Make sure your ink is dry before erasing, or else it'll smudge. I decided to add cursive overlaying the letters. I'm going for a loosely colored look with the word B. Once again, I'm using my Muji gel pen and I'm writing the cursive. I'm adding some washi tape to the corner that matches the blue and gray in the quote. The quote page I just made reads, "Be strong, be good, be patient." You can see here I'm counting on my fingers. I'm counting the number of letters that are in the word that I'm going to write. This helps me make sure that it's all centered. Additionally, I make a line down the middle of my page to make sure all of my words are centered. This is where the measurement page comes in handy. You can see here, I'm using the boxes I made to space out the letters evenly. I'm turning my plain cursive into calligraphy by making my line thicker on the downstrokes. A tip I would give is to try and make the shading look smooth and go in with the letters. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. Plus, nothing's perfect anyway, there's always room for improvement. But take your time and try and get it as best as you can. I can't stress enough how much a line down the middle of my page helps me. It took me a lot of trials to get the word give to the size I wanted it. I'm making the word up a lot less structured and basically just freehanded it. Although freehanding quote pages can make them less quote-unquote perfect, it can make the quote flow together a lot more. I added lines to kind of make it look like calligraphy, but I didn't fill it in the traditional way. I added squiggles in the empty space and I kind of regret it, but I guess it'll have to do. Erase, 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 erase. Friendly reminder to erase those pencil lines. Once again, I'm adding washi tape. This quote page reads, "Never give up," and I think it's pretty fitting for this video. Now onto calligraphy. I'm going to start with writing it just in plain cursive. To do cursive, just make your letters lead into one another, and I recommend searching up cursive letters if you've never done cursive before. Now, like before, I'm making the line thicker on the downstrokes. I recommend making a curved line on the left side of the downstroke. Make it attached to your cursive on either end and shade it in. If you're confused about which part goes down, just trace it with your finger and it'll be easier to figure out which part goes down. This will get a lot easier with practice. So just keep trying and never give up. And there it says hello. That wasn't very hard, right? There's a lot of different ways you can add character to plain calligraphy writing. You can change the color of the shading, or do what I'm doing. I'm going to add some white on top. If you guys have any suggestions for white gel pens, they would be greatly appreciated. Here are some of my favorite quote pages I've made. I use these same tips and a little bit of creativity. And I know you can too. And ones I'm not so happy with anymore. But that's what's great about art. You can always improve it. And now let's look at what we made today. I'd say they're pretty good. I feel like you got to see a more in-depth process of making quote pages than you usually get to see because I started it from total scratch and I didn't even have pencil sketches of what I would do, which I usually would do, so tell me if you guys liked this or not. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you enjoyed this, and check out my October plan with me. Well, that's it for now. Bye! Enjoy the rest of your day.